Hello guys, welcome back. In this video you will learn how to create app folder on your Android phone. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can see all of the previously installed or pre-installed app listed there. Simply tap on hold any single app. After that, drag it to any another app if you want to create folder. After you drag it and automatically create the folder. To add more app there, simply tap on the plus icon here. After that, select the app if you want to add it. You can select single one or multiple. After you all of the selected, tap on the done button. And right now your app folder is successfully created. You can also customize it. To do that, give it a folder name if you like. For example, I am type this name. You can type any other if you like. Once you have successfully typed, simply tap on any bank area on your phone or tap on the back button your device, and right now this app folder is successfully created. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.